In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get answers on Google Forms. Whether you're a teacher wanting to evaluate your students, a business looking to gather feedback, or simply someone collecting data for a personal project, knowing how to efficiently access and analyze responses from Google Forms can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the process and guide you through each step with clarity. To get started, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Forms. You can do this easily by typing formsgoogle.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, if you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your Google account. It's important to note that you must be logged in to access and manage your forms. After you've logged in, you'll see a list of forms that you've previously created or collaborated on. Simply click on the form for which you want to view responses. If you haven't made one yet, you can create a new form by clicking the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a new tab where you can create your questions and save the form for future responses. Once you have opened the desired form, look at the top of the page. You will see a tab labeled Responses situated next to the Questions tab. Click on this tab to view all the responses that have been submitted for your form. In this Responses tab, Google Forms provides you with a summary of all responses. You'll see data visualizations such as charts and graphs which represent your responses, giving you a quick overview of the collected data. If you want to dive deeper into the individual responses, there is an individual option within the same tab. Clicking this will allow you to view each response separately. This can be particularly useful if you need to review the input from each participant in detail. For further analysis or external sharing, you might prefer to view this data in a spreadsheet. Luckily, Google Forms integrates smoothly with Google Sheets. To do this, click on the green Sheets icon, which is located at the top right corner of the Responses tab. This will generate a Google Sheet containing all the responses for your form. Once the data is in Sheets, you can analyze it more comprehensively, create custom graphs, and even share it with others for collaboration. Remember, regularly checking this data can help you understand trends, gather insights, and even correlate responses to improve future forms. There you have it, a straightforward guide to retrieving and analyzing your Google Form responses. Feel free to revisit any of these steps as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.